Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this slide I will show you how to create this creative image template. As you can see here I have an image and a square border, and I have image inside the border and outside the border in the same time. How to do this? I will show you step by step to create this type of creative image. So let's start. Oops, let's go. New slide. I will insert my image. Insert picture. I get from my computer now. Let's take this one. Now it's really white, like this. Now I will reduce the image. I will crop the image. Go to the picture, crop, and I will crop it as square. So I'll crop to shape, rectangle, and I will choose again crop as square. Okay, the same, the first thing. Good. So I will use it like this. Now what I will do, I will rotate the image like this. The first step. What is the next step? I will insert the rectangle, insert picture, shape, and the rectangle, but as square. So I push the shift button like this. I will see if I increase or no. Huh? So do you see? Yeah, it's good. So without fill, shape fill, no fill, and here I will increase the outline. I will choose outline. I will see which color. I will be consistent, always consistent, so the same color. And I will put 9, for example. Okay. Here, as you can see, the picture is behind the square, but I want to get the 3D. How to do this? I just want to get this image outside this square. It means in the front of the square, and here in the back of the square. Okay? Each side of the square. So if I make, for example, this one to, I will bring them to the front, to the back. So here, from here, send to the back. What I got? You see, it is not what I want. But I can let it like this, and I will make another thing. I will go to the insert, shape, and here I will choose this shape, this one. It's called half frame. So now I will increase, I think, the size to see it very well, because I need it. And now I will insert my shape from here exactly as here. You see, like this. Be the same dimension. No, it's very important. No, I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's good. Not what I want. So I get it like this. Oops. Maybe I will increase the zoom. Yeah, to get what we want. Same size. Yeah, like this. And here, no. After I will change dimension. No problem. Let's continue. Oops. In the middle. I don't know where is the middle. I will see when I finish. And the same thing from here, like this. Now I will reduce this line to the same like this one. Oops. And the same thing from here. I keep the circle and I reduce the size of the line. Now, so let's see if it's in the middle or no. No, I have to do it a lot of. So I can do it like this, for example. I have moved it. No problem. Yeah, I want to do it in the middle exactly. Yes. I think it's good from here, and here I will use it to like this. Okay, now I will come back to add some line for the first and for the second, like this, to be the same thing. It's very important, huh? Now, what I will do, I take this one, but before I will make the same color as this one. Oops. Shape format, sorry, shape format, shape fill. I drop with like this, good. And the next step, it is, now I think here I have some problem, so I can do it until here, like this, to not see the content. Of course, I don't want the outline. Do you see? And from here it is the same thing, so I will until from here. Oops, I will change, of course, the size when I finish. Now I will come back to the size like this, and for this line, oops, like this. Good, but I think it is some, yeah, now it is good. And I will take the same thing, Ctrl D, but in other sense. So like this, to put it in other side. Okay, like this one. Oops. But of course I will reduce, because all the image here as in so here I will reduce. Where is it? Take it, sorry. I will use this one like this, and from here like this. And now just, what is it? What is it? Oops, yeah. See it? No, I don't want to see it, of course. So I will put it here. I will put it in the back, I think, because I don't want to get this part of image. I will use it again like this. Very well. Do you see? I have choose these two sides of the picture are in the back, and from this part are in the front. It is an inspiration. I have changed before the previews, but it's very interesting inspiration. Now I will continue. I finish with image and the square. Now I can get the same thing. So Ctrl D, and I will put something here. Just reduce the size. Put the text, etc., etc. Now outline like this and like this. I put it very big. No, I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah. So let's move it like this, and here put your title as I have done before. Cats. Just put it very big in the bold. Yeah. First thing, and here put the cat another title, for example, cat name. Okay, it is the presentation now, and here put another title as I have done before. Your title. Increase it to change. I forgot to change, no problem, to April, and put from here 15 like this, and another text. Lorem ipsum, not big, but like this, and we have finished our presentation. Purposely to show you how, of course, to, as I said, creative image in a slide, and the rest you know how to do it with text. It is about imagination. Good. So just finish this slide very quick like this. I will reduce the size, of course, of the text. Don't worry about this. So take like this, and we have finished. Here is our presentation. So simple, So very simple, very clean, etc., etc. So you can do a lot of things with the shape. Just try to play with them with foreground, crop, etc., etc. Do it in the paper and put it directly after this in the PowerPoint. Practice it and show me, as I said, the result in the comment. We continue, inshallah, about this chapter inspiration. I think I have 2 or 3 another video. I don't know, 1 or 2 or 3 before to finish it and to start a new chapter in PowerPoint. So remember, this chapter it's about inspiration, how to make creative slide with simple element. Okay, thank you a lot of brothers and sisters to follow this course until this moment. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and follow me on Instagram, teams.winners and faisal.chico, and in Telegram, learn, practice and share. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.